thanks for watching my video. So today I'm going to show you one of the ways that I make $100. It's really easy, it's simple. Before we get started, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button down there below and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to find out more ways to make money online, whether you're looking to make a part-time income, whether you're looking to just get your feet wet and kind of test the waters out and see how it goes, or if you want to make a full-time income. I have it all in my channel, and I also have it on my website as well. So if you want to check that out, I'll link it down below. Now, I want to thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and get started. Into this an easy way that you can make $100 online is through Listverse. Now you can get paid $100 for each list that you submit to them and they accept. Now they do have some rules, and you can find those under the author's guide, and you'll get a page like this. It'll pop up. So one of the first rules, it needs to be a minimum of 10 things. So you can't have like 5 or 9 or the top 3 best channels to view or something like that. They don't want anything like that. They want it to be unique, something that is not totally easy to find online, or if you are trivia mania or whatever and you read a lot of books or anything like that, your sources can come from books, your sources can come from online, things like that. You compile the information and put it together. Now for each topic, they want you to write about a paragraph or 2 in each one of those. So if you do like 10 unique facts about teddy bears, I don't know, then you write a paragraph about each. Okay, topic number 1, and then you say, okay, here is a small short paragraph about it, and then it needs to have, again, a reliable source that they can back it up. So at the end, when you're submitting your article, just kind of do it like, I guess, like a paper that you would do citations or whatever. If you found it on a website, if you found it in a book, anything like that, just go at the bottom, just go ahead and source cite it, and then you can turn it in. They'll do what they do on their end. So and it needs to be clean and professional. They don't want profanity in their stuff. They don't want a whole lot of slang terms or anything like that. They want you to be unique in your writing, but they don't want it to be unprofessional. So just a couple tips that you want to make sure you get it covered so that your list gets accepted. It's really easy. So if you're not a typer, if you don't like typing, that's the biggest thing that I've heard with people is they're like, well, I don't like typing. I don't want to write. I'm not a writer. You can download on Chrome, you can download the Google Transcribe. And then you can just talk about your articles and then go back and, just check and make sure that it's, there's not a lot of slang. It's grammatically correct for the most part. They will go ahead and do all of that stuff again to make sure, it's professional content that they're putting out. But if it's like really sloppy work, then and they have to do a lot of editing, they're not going to accept it. So if you just use your Google Transcribe, you talk into it. Say topic number 1 is fact about a car or whatever, or about the human body or anything like that. It could be about Bigfoot or UFOs or, anything like that. And then you do your paragraph or 2, you just speak it out, and then you do topic number 2, and you just keep going through, and you could actually do it all verbally and then just double check it before you turn it in. They approve it. When they approve it, if they do, then they pay you $100. It's that easy. So you don't even have to necessarily type it out. You don't have to do anything like that. Even your citations at the end, excuse me, you can say, okay, well, I found this on, how to win friends and influence people or whatever. book that you found it from, whatever site you found it on from. The sites are pretty easy. You just say the author, the year, and then you just drop the URL link in there. They're a lot easier than citing books and things like that. So go ahead and make your list today. Get it started, get it turned in, and make an easy $100 just like that. I mean, it's not hard to do it. You just have to meet their criteria. It has to be something unique, though. It can't be something that's like, oh, you just type it into Google and it's the first list that comes up. Another one of the things, if you're translating it from another language, they won't accept it. It's basically, that is, plagiarism or whatever you want to call it, where you're copying somebody else's work. They want you to bring to them something that they don't have already. And even if it's a compilation of a whole bunch of people's work, as long as you're citing them and you're saying, hey, I found it on this website over here by this person, and I found this over here by this person. And it's really easy. It's not hard at all. If you've written a college paper, you know how to do that kind of stuff. Even a paper in high school, you know how to do those kind of things. It's super easy. And like I said, use Transcribe Me. You can talk into it and it'll transcribe everything for you. You just go back and, proofread your transcription and then go from there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Again, I want to ask you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more ways to find out how to work online. And go ahead and visit my website down below. Also, I have linked my #1 way of making income online in my description below. So go ahead and check that out too. Have a good day. Bye.